Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have three excellent opportunities for freshers, students and recent graduates who are currently looking to start their careers in software development and cloud infrastructure. The first opening is from Deloitte, one of the world's biggest consulting and technology companies, where they are hiring associate analysts for their cloud infrastructure team. The second opening is from Airbus, one of the largest aerospace companies in the world, offering a 6-month internship, and third one is the remote backend developer internship. Whether you are from BSc, BA, BTech, MCA, BCA, or any other computer related background, at least one of these companies' opportunity is likely to match your profile. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. This one is from Deloitte for the role of Associate Analyst. The job location is Bangalore and candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. One important thing to note is that this role is specifically open for BSc, BA graduates, making it a great opportunity for students who often feel that most software jobs are only available for BTech graduates. Now let's talk about Deloitte. Deloitte is one of the big four professional services companies, as we all know, and it provides cloud, cybersecurity, AI solutions to organizations across the world. Coming to this role, you will become part of Deloitte's engineering, AI, and data practice, specifically within hybrid cloud engineering team. Your primary responsibility will be monitoring cloud infrastructure operations and ensuring that enterprise systems continue running smoothly. On a day-to-day basis, you will monitor ServiceNow dashboards and operational monitoring tools, track incidents and alerts, manage service requests, and ensure issues are resolved within defined service level agreements or SLAs. You will also coordinate with different technical teams whenever incident occurs, maintain operational records, prepare reports, and participate in shifts to ensure smooth operations. Since this is an infrastructure support role, attention to detail and communication skills are extremely important. The company is looking for candidates who understand basic IT service management concepts, incident management, ServiceNow, or similar monitoring tools. Keep in mind that this is a 24/7 rotational shift role, so if you are comfortable working in rotational shift, this can be a very excellent way to enter the IT industry. If you are from BSc or BA graduate looking for a stable technology career, this is definitely one of the best opening right now. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Airbus for the role of System Testing Intern. The internship duration is 6 months and the location is Bangalore. Most people know Airbus for manufacturing aircraft, but today the company is also heavily investing in software engineering, AI, digital engineering, and aerospace technologies. Getting internship experience at Airbus is valuable addition to any resume because you will be working on technologies used in real aerospace systems. Let's understand what you will actually do in this role. As a system testing intern, you will develop Python based tools that help organize and process flight data. You will also create 3D visualizations that engineers use for mission analysis and testing. Apart from development work, you will assist senior engineers in validating avionics software, identify technical issues, troubleshooting problems, and improving testing workflows. One interesting part of this internship is that Airbus is also encouraging interns to explore AI based approaches that can improve engineering and testing efficiency. This means you will gain exposure not only to testing but also Python programming, AI concept, data processing. Coming to the required skills, the company expects candidate to have programming knowledge in Python, analytical thinking, debugging skills, teamwork, and basic understanding of AI concept. Students pursuing undergraduate, postgraduate, or engineering degrees are eligible according to the job description. If you are interested in Python or testing, this internship can provide experience that's very different from a typical software internship. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity, and this one is from Robo Dynamics India LLP for the role of Backend Developer Intern. The biggest advantage of this internship is that it's completely remote, making it accessible to candidates across India. The internship duration is 3 months and freshers are eligible to apply. After the internship, you may receive a full time job offer based on your performance. Now, let's understand your responsibilities. You will work on developing backend APIs for real world applications. Depending on your preferred technology stack, you will build RESTful API services. You will build RESTful services using Node.js or Python. You will also work with databases like SQL and NoSQL, integrate third party APIs, optimize backend performance, debug software issues, and collaborate with front-end developers and mentors. The internship also includes code reviews, documentation, and participation in daily stand up meetings, giving you exposure to how professional software teams actually work. Now, let's talk about the skills they are looking for. The company accepts candidates with knowledge of Python, Java, Node.js, or Go. They also expect understanding of REST APIs, client server architecture, MySQL or PostgreSQL databases, object oriented programming, DSA, Git, GitHub, and problem solving. If you already know technologies like Fast APIs, ExpressJS, Spring Boot, Django, Docker, or cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, that will certainly strengthen your application. Since this is a backend internship, having personal projects on GitHub will significantly improve your chances of getting shortlisted. If you are currently learning backend development and want practical industry experience without relocating, this is definitely a good opportunity to consider. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities for today. If you are from BSc or BA background and want to start your career in enterprise IT with one of the big four, then Deloitte should be your first preference. If you're passionate about Python software testing, then go for the second internship. And if your goal is to become a backend developer, work with databases, and gain hands on experience, that too remotely, then go for the third internship. My advice is simple, don't wait until you are 100% ready. If you meet most of the eligibility criteria, prepare a good resume, highlight your projects, and include your GitHub profile. Many candidates lose opportunities simply because they assume they are not qualified, while companies often value learning ability and problem solving. Consistency is what makes the biggest difference. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.